Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto highlight expiring dates in Excel. So basically what we're trying to identify here is identify which of the items or whatever it may be that is going to expire in the next 10 days. So to do that, what we're going to do is highlight, say for example, the date and click conditional formatting, new rule, and then we're going to choose the second one, format only cells that contain, and then cell value, and instead of between I'm gonna choose less than. And then basically what you're going to do is type here today. Basically it is trying to set the date today as the baseline, and then 10 days. So the things or the items that are going to be expiring 10 days from the date of the day. So I can head over and click format. You can basically choose here font, make it different, but I think the easiest one would be fill it with a color. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, hit OK, and you can see that now we are seeing the items that are expiring soon and those that have expired already. So yeah, basically that's how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.